Hi kids, are you ready for today? Let's see if you can guess. What color is inside the balloon? Are you ready to play? Let's guess the color together. It's yellow, like the sun. It's orange, like a juicy orange fruit. Oh no, this balloon doesn't want to pop. Come on, balloon, pop already. Is it made of magic rubber? Yay, we did it! It's pink, like cotton candy. Wow, it's blue. Did you guess it right? What color will this one be? It's green, like the grass and leaves. Great job, everyone. You're amazing color guessers. Let's try something different. Can you guess what's inside this balloon? What's that? Confetti! Yay! Boom! That's a lot of paper flying. Colors everywhere. It's magic. Woohoo! This one's a real party balloon. Whoa! Did you see that splash? Water explosion! Boom! Right on the table. That was a big one. Slow-mo! Water magic! It's like a mini waterfall. Let's do that again. Splash, splash on the tabletop. Did you see all that water? That was epic. Let's clean up or pop some more. Wow, so many bouncing beads. Did you see that? Which color did you spot first? This one looks heavy. Is it full of water? Let's guess. What color is it? Blue splash. Did you guess it right? Oh wow, this one is extra special. What do you think is inside? Water and something else? Whoa, so many tiny jelly beads. They're everywhere. Whoa, this one is in slow motion. Look at that. Water and bouncing beads everywhere. It's like a mini waterfall of jelly balls. So cool. Let's watch that again.